Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make a modak with these ingredients. I have taken dalia, desiccated coconut, poha, jaggery and white sesame seeds. Now tomorrow is Ganesh Festival, so I thought of preparing this modak. I have taken 1 cup dalia, dry roast the same. Similarly, half cup desiccated coconut and half cup poha I have taken. This also I will be dry roasting it. Then we will make powder of the poha and dalia. After dry roasting the desiccated coconut, we will grind it along with the half cup of jaggery. If you want more sweet, you can add 3/4 cup of jaggery to it. Then sieve the dalia after grinding. Then mix everything together. Dry roast the sesame seed also and mix it along with the jaggery and desiccated coconut while grinding. And mix all the items together and make the modak. If it is required, you can add little bit of ghee in it while preparing the modak. The poha is also roasted till it is crispy. See, you can make out that. At this stage, remove it from the heat. Dalia, till you get a nice aroma from this, you roast it. Now we will put the desiccated coconut. Don't make it brown, but slightly roast it. It has started becoming brown, so now I am removing it. Now we will dry roast the sesame seed. 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. This I have already roasted. I am just making it warm so that it will be easy for grinding. There is oil content in the sesame seed, so it will be easy for you to prepare the modak without adding the ghee also. But in case if you are unable to make it, you can add little ghee while preparing the modak. This is also done. We will mix it with the coconut. I have powdered the dal, poha and jaggery and desiccated coconut in this, and we'll mix this and add cardamom powder also. Then we will start binding the modak. I have mixed everything. We need little ghee so that we can make the laddu or modak with this. If you don't have a modak mold, you can make laddu out of this. I have got a modak mold, so I will be preparing half. I will be preparing modak and half I will be preparing laddu. Now we will add some ghee in it. 4 teaspoons of ghee I have added. Kindly check the description box for the exact quantity of the item added to this. Minimum 1/4 cup of ghee is required, and mix it well. Not hot ghee, warm it and The consistency will be like this. But add warm ghee in it and see whether you are able to bind the laddu like this and make small laddus, or as you wish. You can make bigger one also. As you wish, you can make the laddus. While preparing the modak, I am going to add little more ghee. See, like this we can prepare the laddu, and small laddus if you make, the children will not waste it. So better to make small laddus. We make laddu with dalia, that is the chutney dal. I have posted various modak recipes in my blog as well as in the YouTube channel. I'll give the link in the description box. Though I am too late to post this modak video, but anytime you can make and eat it whenever you feel like eating some sweets. And dry fruits, if you want, you can add dry fruits powder also in this. See, like this, make small modak. I have prepared the laddu and kept here. Now see, for the modak I have added little extra ghee, and see the consistency of this. And the modak mold also I have greased and kept it. Now we will fill the modak mold with the mixer, and if you want you can add some dry fruits inside the modak. Fill it and press it nicely so that it is. Now remove the screw from this. Open the mold. I have prepared the modak and kept the laddu also ready now. See, I just want to show you in case if it doesn't come out of the mold properly. See, like this. If it breaks a little bit and comes out like this, don't have to worry. Just keep it and press with your hand properly. See, like this. Press it. And it's ready. So you don't have to worry about it. And after filling the mold, no, just press it like this fully. Just press the mold like this completely, just press it inside like this way, so it comes out very nicely. Even if it slightly breaks it, just take out that piece and stick to it and press it, so your problem will be solved. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for watching the video. The ghee, according to the requirement, you have to add. I cannot say exactly how much I added because I didn't measure it. So to get a binding consistency, you have to add, but don't add warm ghee. Hot ghee. Should be slightly warm, that's all. So our modak is ready. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you so much for watching video. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.